This is a video regarding to the movement confirmation with a programming pad. This section describes each part of the YHX programming pad. Emergency stop button is a Loctite button for the emergency stop. LCD touch panel is a screen display of the programming pad. Touch operation is available. Adjusting brightness switch is a switch to adjust the luminance of the LCD touch panel. 2-position key switch is a switch to select auto or manual mode. 3-position enable switch is a switch for the building external safety circuit. When the user starts the YHX controller for which the standard profile has been downloaded, this operation screen will be displayed. In this section, we will explain the main parts of the operation screen. Mode displays the current mode. System indicators display the status of the controller. Users can select the robot or LCMR200 slider to operate in Robot Selector. Robot name displays the operating robot name or LCMR200 slider ID. Users can switch the display screen with screen back button and screen forward button. Forward one screen from the first screen to display the controller and driver monitor screen. On this screen, users can check the various statuses of the controller. The alarm, warning, and status for each driver are displayed. For how to read the alarm and warning display, refer to troubleshooting in the YHX user's manual. Forward one screen from the controller and driver monitor screen to display the driver alarm screen. Cross will appear next to the alarm name when the alarm is occurring. Click the link of each alarm to confirm the driver ID number where the alarm is occurring. Click Return button to return to the driver alarm confirmation screen. Forward one screen from the driver alarm screen to display the timeline screen. On this screen, users can display the history of the YHX controller, such as system setting information and error information in chronological order. Click Refresh button to update to the latest information. Use the programming pad to check if the robot and LCMR200 slider are recognized normally. In this work, an operator touches the robot or LCMR200 slider directly. Please make sure to work in manual mode and in the emergency stop status. Tap the robot number to be operated from Robot Selector. Check if the robot name is displayed correctly for the selected robot number. For robot, robot variable set in YHX user config st is displayed. For LCMR200 slider, the registered slider ID is displayed. Move the selected robot or LCMR200 slider by hand. Check if the current position displayed in the position field has changed normally. Use the programming pad to check the alarm occurrence status and reset the alarm. Set the key switch to manual mode. Check the alarm occurrence status with Alarm Viewer. The light blue lighting of each lamp indicates the occurrence of the corresponding alarm. Axis lamp will be lit when an alarm occurs related to robot or slider control. Driver lamp will be lit when any driver alarm occurs. System lamp will be lit when an alarm occurs on the YHX system. When axis alarm status occurs, the robot selector button shows on which axis the alarm is occurring. The alarm can be reset by tapping the reset button. Tap the reset button to keep the button on. After canceling the alarm, tap the button again to turn the button off. In addition, some alarms cannot be reset unless the alarm factor is removed first. Servo on operation is required to operate the robot and LCMR200 slider. In addition, for robots whose origin return has not been completed, the origin return operation is required. Release the emergency stop button and operate in manual mode. From the robot selector, tap the robot number to be operated. Multiple objects cannot be moved at the same time. Perform the servo on operation. Tap servo. When the servo is turned on, the lamp lights up. To turn off the servo, tap it again. Perform the origin return operation. Tap the word origin to unlock. Tap the origin button. The lamp blinks during operation, and the lamp stays lit when the origin return is completed. Since the LCMR200 sliders are always in origin return complete status, no origin return operation is required. For jog operation, select the speed button to specify the speed. For inching operation, specify the inching amount by selecting the inching button. Use the plus X and minus X buttons to move. In the jog operation, the movement continues while the button is pressed and decelerates and stops when the button is released. In the inching operation, when the button is pressed, it moves by the amount of inching. The LCMR200 slider cannot be transferred between clusters during jog and inching operations. That is all the explanation for the movement confirmation with a programming pad.